We have been waiting for this moment. Our new school will be an expansive 108,000 square feet. Classrooms will be brighter and roomier, technology will be state-of-the-art, and school safety and security will be enhanced.
What a great day, huh? It's beautiful outside. We have so much to celebrate here at Red House Run. And I am proud that we are leading the way in Baltimore County in school construction. We have made it a priority and we're seeing the benefit of that work.
So it means a lot to have our students, our staff, our parents and community members here for our groundbreaking ceremony. We're excited about what the future will bring here for Red House Run Elementary School.
5,